Welcome to all. Today we are going to start chapter number 7, term 2. Chapter name is fraction, part 1. Fraction means having numerator and denominator. A fraction shows part of a whole. In this one example is given here. This is the star. Star has divided into 5 part. So in this one, 2 parts are red color. So the fraction is known as 2 upon 5. This is known as fraction. 2 upon 5. The first one parts being referred to, that is known as numerator, and the total number of equal part is known as denominator. So next is, what is this question we will solve in exercise. Name the fraction for the colored part. In this one, this cup shows 2 portion. We have to find the fraction. It means one part is filled and one part is empty. So here the fraction will come 1 by 2. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 part divided that 1 kg into 4 part. 3 parts has been covered. So 3 upon 4. Like this we can do fraction. Exercise 7a. Which of these 1/4 shows the same amount? 1/4, they all are showing 1/4 part only, but same amount. So we can see the same figure. Okay, so in this one only having same amount, because the circle shape we can identify first. See, all are having 1/4 part only, but we have to find the same amount. Same amount means that same amount we can do, and the same size also we can measure it. So that then only we can come to same amount. Next question. Anisha and Aruna both had half of 2 different sandwiches. Anisha told Aruna, my half is bigger than your half. Draw Anisha and Aruna's sandwiches before they were eaten. See, in this one, the bread, it is in the shape of this. So one half is this one and one half is this one. So in this question, draw Anisha's and Aruna's sandwich before they were eaten. So in this one, who told that my part is bigger? Anisha told to Aruna, my half is bigger than your half. So in this one, you can identify which one. I think this triangle one is bigger than this rectangle one. So this is this part of Anisha and this part of Aruna. Next, Ajitas and Shyama shared a pastry. Ajita said her half is bigger than Shyama's. Is this possible? Explain to your teacher why or why not. See, the shape of the pastry is in the cuboid shape. So, when we cut, it is like this shape only. So, it is not half we have cut it like this. So, one part is greater than the other part. Like this we can explain. Next, which of these shows 2 by 3 shaded in grey? 2 by 3 shaded in grey means that 2 parts are shaded out of 3, but all the shapes are same. In this one, it is having 2 by 3. Okay, it is having 2 by 3, but these two parts are same and this part is more than this shape. So in this one we cannot find. In this also these two parts are same and this part is small. This also we cannot found. This also we cannot find. 1. All the 5 parts are similar. Here 2 parts are shaded, but here total are 5. We want 2 by 3. So this also it is not showing. In this one, 3 parts are there and 3 parts, 2 parts are the shaded one. So this is the answer of this question. Number 5. If this is 1 by 2, the shape, draw the whole part. See, this is 1 by 2 part. We can draw whole part. So we can draw like this. Okay. 1 by 2 means half. So half and half it will make 1. Next, second, it is 1 by 4. We can make full figure. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4 and this is 4 by 4. So like this we can draw. So 2 question, do it yourself. Next, like and unlike fraction. Like fraction means denominator are same. Like fraction that have the same denominator are called like fraction. See, denominator means that total 1. So 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 are the like fraction because denominator have same. Unlike fraction means we are having different denominator, that is known as unlike fraction. 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. Okay, if we are having same denominator, that is known as like fraction. If we are having different denominator, we can say that it is unlike fraction. Now the next topic is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means always we will get equal when we do the cancellation. In this one example is given here, 1 by 2. This is one pizza. In that pizza we can divide into 2 parts and that we can divide into 4 parts. Pizza only one. So if we have done one part, so that is 1 upon 4. Now in this also we can divide into now 8 parts and this one part now representing as 2 parts. So this is 2 by 8. So 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 both are similar. That is known as equivalent fraction. Exercise 7b. Here we have to identify that which one is like and which one is unlike. See, in this one we are having same denominator. This is known as like. In this one also same denominator. We can say that it is also like. In this one different, unlike. In this one different, unlike. This one like. This one unlike. Okay. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, color 1 by 2. So we can do it here, color 1 by 2. Okay. In this one we will do color 1 by 2. In this one we will do color 2 by 4. In this one we will color 4 by 8. In this one color 8 by 16. See, now what we can identify here, see, only half of parts are covered. So that half we can write 1 by 2 also, 2 by 4 also, 4 by 8 also, 8 by 16. So these all the boxes are equivalent. Okay. Next, Question number 3. Color the following to show equivalent fraction. In this one, again the same thing we can do it here. 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. So first we can color it 2 part. Then we can color it 1 part. Same here, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 first we can color it. And then 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means 2 part only we can leave it. And rest we can color it. Next is 1 by 3. And here is 2 by 6. Like this we can do coloring part. Next, study the shaded region and fill in the box. It is 2 by 4 and it is 4 by 8. This is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 4. This is 1 by 4 and this will be 2 by 8. 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. This is 2 by 3 and this is 4 by 6. This is 2 by 8 and this is 1 by 4. Like this we can solve. Color 1 by 3 of the group. So 1 by 3 means this full box you can color it. 2 by 6 this full 2 color it. 4 by 6 this 4 you can color it. Like this you can observe, and question number 6 also like this you can observe. And here you can use this 3 symbol. Which one can come here? Next, there is how Javed has arranged his things on a shelf. What fraction of the shelf has book given 2 fraction for it? What fraction of the shelf has toys? Give 2 fraction for it. Total number of racks are 6. In this 6, in that 1, 2, 3, 4, in 4 boxes he has arranged books, and in 2 boxes he has arranged toys. Like this we can solve. Find the fraction of a number. So fraction means the same thing, numerator and denominator, and denominator means that total only. Okay, so here it is showing some example. What is 3 upon 4 of 20? It means what we can do it here, divide the number by the denominator, so and multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So in this one, 3 upon 4 of 20 is 15. It means what is this 20? What is 20? It means this. What is 3 by 4? What is 3 by 4 of 20? It means 3 by 4 part is what of this 20. Okay, this total is 4 part only. We have to find third part. Total is 4 part. 4 part is 20. What is third part? Third part is 3 by 4 part is 15. Same here, 5 by 6. It means 60 is total. So total means that 60 equals to 6. What is 5? So 5 is 50 only. First question, what is 2 by 3 of 27? So I have solved here. 2 by 3 of 27 is what? 2 by 3 up 2 upon 3 multiply by 27. 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27. So 2 nines are 18. So 2 by 3 is 18. Same here, 2 by 5 of 20. So 2 by 5 means 2 upon 5 into 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So total is 8. Like this you can solve. And some more question I have solved here. We have to convert in hours. 1 day equals to 24 hours. So 24 we can multiply. Same here, 60. Why? Because we have to find minutes. So minutes will come. Okay. Then dozen means 12. So 5 upon 6 into 12. And then kilogram is 1 by 2 of a kilogram. So kilogram convert in the gram is 1000. Question number 4. Application in real life. An auditorium has 600 seats. 2 by 3 of the seats are empty. How many seats are empty? That only we have to find. Total number of seats are 600. 2 by 3 are empty. So now total part is 3. 3 for 600. It means 1 for 200. Now we are having 2. 2 part means we can write directly 200, or if you want you can solve by the method. Therefore 200 seats equals to 1 by 3 of 600, that is of 1 part, and we are having 2 part. So 2 part means 1 by 3 into 2. So 200 into 2 is 400 seats are empty. Question number 2. A packet has 75 sheets of paper. Simran uses 2 by 5 of the sheets. How many sheets has she used? So 75 sheets of papers are there and she used 2 by 5 parts. So first we can write like this, or we can find the one part. One part is 75 upon denominator. Denominator is 5. So that will come 15. And 15 to the 30. So total 30 sheets she has used. Like this question during the class selection, Pritam got 1 by 7 of the 42 boards polled. How many boards did Pritam get? So 1 by 7 into 42. So how many boards? 6. Okay, like this we can solve. Now the next, comparing like fraction. Just now we have learned like fraction means same denominator. In this one we can compare also 4 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Which one is greater? See, when we are having same denominator, so we can see the numerator one. So we can compare from the numerator only. So 4 is greater or 6 is greater? Greater number is 6. So we can put like this. Like this also, ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order already we have learned. Greater to smaller, smaller to greater. Smaller to greater is ascending, and descending order means greater to smaller. So like this we can arrange. We will see the numerator number, then we can arrange in ascending and descending order. Let's see recap. In this one we have learned fractions, understanding fractions better, like and unlike fractions, equivalent fractions, to find the fraction of a number, comparing like fraction. In this one we have learned ascending and descending order. Now for worksheet you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you.